welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to join both ends together on a ribbed waistband. This is also an example tutorial for my summer breezy crop top and shorts pattern. This is the chain row where I began my waistband. You'll insert your hook into the first chain in the row that lines up with your loop on your hook. Then grab the yarn and bring the yarn through. And I'm going to chain one. I'm going to go back into the same stitch under both loops and also the very first chain stitch on the row. Grab the yarn and pull it through, then slip stitch it. I'm going to repeat this for each stitch in my row. So on to the next one, going under both loops and the chain stitch. Grab the yarn and pull it through and then slip stitch it. And I'm going to continue going across the row. Okay, last one. And that created my 70th ribbed row. Now I'm just going to flip this inside out, and then I'm going to chain one. This will be the center where we've joined it. And then I'm going to single crochet on each row that was created on this waistband all the way around until we arrive back where we've started. Then I'm just going to do an invisible finish. I'm going to tie off and then weave in my ends. You should have a total of 70 single crochet stitches. And this just creates a smooth row before continuing on with the body of the project. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead. Thanks for watching.